Prep Test 69, game number 1, question 4. Which of the following cannot be in the fourth position? So let's go ahead and pull up a couple of different diagrams so we can draw out some different options. And first, we just want to check to see if the answer is sitting in front of us, and it's not, because none of our answer choices are L or M. So let's start drawing in different possibilities. If F is fourth, we know that we need to have H and S after it. I'm tempted to put H right here, but remember our rule that H cannot be in the fifth position, so we have to push H off here. That forces S into the seventh, which forces L into the fifth. All we have left are M, G, and P. We haven't broken any rules, so this can be the fourth. What about G? Well, we could try G and P. We want L toward the end somewhere. We want M somewhere in the first three. And we have F, H, and FS left, and there's no reason why they can't go in that order right there. So G also looks like it works. What about H in the fourth position? Well, if we place H here, we also want M in the first three. We want F somewhere in the first three, or at least somewhere before H. We want G and P together, and the only places they can go together are over here somewhere. That does leave room for L. However, we get stuck with an S early on in the lineup, and that is not okay according to our first rule. So this one is looking questionable. Rather than getting hung up on it, why don't we just check out the remaining two and see what we can do with them. So I'm going to erase this option here and try to fit P in the fourth position. So if P's here, G must go right before it. We need M early on. Probably best to put F early on. We don't want H in our fifth spot, but H can go here, followed by S, leaving L in our fifth spot. This one works just fine. And finally, can we place S in space number 4? So if we do place S in space number 4, we know that F and H have to come before it, and M needs to be in the first three. That leaves G and P and L at the end. That works fine, so we've confirmed that C is in fact the answer we're looking for.